Susundin na kami ng aming bus. It's a sleeper bus going to Sapa. But just to show you the lobby of the Delica Hotel. So, since nag-check out namin ng 12 noon, kami ng 12 noon kanina, so obviously binabahan na yung luggage namin. So kung mag-stay kayo dito, pwede nyo iwan yung luggage sa nila, walang bayad. And then pagbalik namin, since sobrang init kanina, sobrang talagang lagkit na lagkit kami. And good thing meron silang restroom sa baba. At binigyan kami or inalaw kami mag-shower. No? And then nagpahiram din ng bath towel at no cost para lang ma-refresh kami. Kasi nga, syempre sasakay kami ng sleeper bus, hihiga kami. So ang hassle at saka yung pakiramdam na pag nahihiga ka, matuyuan ka ng paa, so talagang malagkit. So good thing, nakapag-shower kami, nakapag-freshen up kami, and now we're just waiting for our bus to pick us up. Binook namin yung bus namin sa Klook, and also may option doon na pick upin kami sa Old Quarter, dito mismo sa hotel natin. So makita natin yan later. So guys, ito yung aming dito kayo maghihintay ng bus namin going to Sapa. Binaba na kami ng aming van. So pinick up kami from the hotel ng van na to, no? Ito yung ating mga luggages, mga souvenir. So this is our bus, our sleeper bus. So guys, this is our sleeper bus. So nasa taas sila. Ayan. Below, and ganda naman yung size. May seatbelt. So what is this? Pero hindi mo pwedeng pasok yung shoes mo. Kailangan nakasaks ka lang. I think may TV, light. There you go. Sleep. LCD TV. Mas na kami. Good night. Good night. Okay. Good night. Good night. May curtain, guys. So ito yung aming sleeper bus for tonight. Going to Sapa. So may headset, and I think mga 6 hours yung travel time. May isang stopover. No, so we had a very good travel sa Hanoi. Dami na yung nagawa because of, I guess for today, or second day because of the hop on hop off bus. So ang cool lang, wala tayo sa Philippines nitong ganitong klase. So pinili namin is yung talagang sleeper bus na okay. Meron pa daw massage. Ayan, sa katawan. Siguro I think sa bed. Sorry kung medyo magulo yung camera. It's because moving na kasi yung bus. So yeah. Great sleep. Kami sa travel kanina. And may nandun na tayo sa nag-stop muna kami, stopover. So pwede kayo mag-restroom, pwede bumili ng food. And dito Dito sa side na to. So guys, balik na tayo sa bus. And 15 minutes lang yung stopover dito sa parang bus terminal yata ito. Parang sa SLEX, NLEX to. Hindi naman terminal yung hintay na hinihinto natin sa SLEX sa NLEX. Pero 15 minutes is enough para makapag-restroom ka, magunat-unat, bumili ng food. May mga bibiling food dito and drinks. No, yung binili namin is sausage on stick. That's 15 BMD. And then also ito milk, no? Yan. And si Mark bumili pa ng Pringles. Hindi ko lang alam kung how much is this. No, but definitely papato ko. So yeah, this is our travel to Sapa. Guys, second stop namin. Guys, I'm clueless. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. Huminto yung bus. Nasa Sapa na kami. Walang instruction. So yung iba nandun pa sa loob. Yung luggage namin nasa loob pa. Yan, kung hintay namin itong mga HK business limousine kasi as far as we know, ihahatid dapat sa hotel. Pero I don't know kasi it's ano na. Past 4 AM na. Ending, mag-grab na lang kami.
Ay, wait lang na.
Magmamaneuver.
Ang cute ng sasakyan. Hindi nyo kanina sila ka...
So guys, mabilis ang takbo namin. Okay, bababa to. At ang luggage namin nasa taas. I think ito yung ano yata. Yung may parang city center na to. Ayan, yung Sapa. So this is the restroom. Ito yun. Malaki. Ito. Laking space. Mini bar. Of course, the cabinet. Not sure kung may safe. Para sa mga valuables nyo. Tingnan natin. May blower. Of course, may bathroom na robe. I don't think na merong safe. Of course, yung mga slippers. Vanity mirror. Oh, pretty nice. Water, kettle, the bed, of course yung telephone, of course your table, TV, and of course the electric fan. I don't know why but may ganon. Split type aircon, the window, and you have a balcony. Pero the catch is yun nga, hindi man ganda yung pagkagalagay nitong split type aircon na to. So right now it's 5, I think it's 5 AM. So paano natin ko-close yan? Paano tayo makakatulog ng maayos? No, unless we clip this. Hindi pinag-isipan to. Okay. Anyway, we'll explore the hotel later. This is Joville Hotel Sapa. And we'll explore the hotel later. So guys, mag-breakfast tayo and this is the view. So guys, nakalimutan ko magpakita yung food ko. But anyway, this is the breakfast. You can request for egg, sunny side up or scramble. So typical, no? And meron sila parang color white na yun. That's parang Vietnamese pancake. So matamis. No? Pero okay lang yung lasa. No? The crust fried rice.
May pork pala eh.
So So it's a breakfast buffet. And may restaurant din sila, and of course, eat with a view.